ठीक है, nobody will disturb the class. Welcome back to your English class. This is Mahesh sir. As you know, yesterday we discussed one story, which is Nasruddin's A, and in that story we learned that how to defend
Good morning, sir.
ourselves. We should handle the situations very
Morning,
humorously.
sir.
Yes, with cleverness, if you try to find the solution in any situation, then surely you can find the solution. So just try. Okay, that's the lesson
Good morning, sir.
we get from the story Nasruddin Ain. Nasruddin's Ain. This is the part 2. Now in this class we are going to discuss new words with their meanings. Okay, students. So let's get started. First word is there. New words. First word is there. Chatting. Chatting means informal talk. Chatting means informal talk. Write fastly in your copy. Aim. Aim means to point. A weapon at a target. To point a weapon at a target, it means aim. Next word is boast. Boast means खुद की प्रशंसा करना. Self praise. Self praise. It means boast. Skill. Skill means the ability to do something. The ability to do something. It means skill. Write fastly. After this, string. A thread of a bow. A thread of a bow. Yes. Archery. Shooting with the bow and arrow.
Sir, start please.
Wait a minute. Shooting with the bow and arrow. Target.
Good morning, sir.
Target. The goal intended to be hit.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, side please.
The goal intended to be hit.
Morning, sir.
Put your mind, Nipeksha. First word I have written on the board. It is chatting. It is chatting. Chatting means informal talk. Informal talk. Aim. To point a weapon at a target. Boast. Self-praise. Skill.
Sir, start
The
please.
ability to do something. The ability to do something. String. A thread of a bow. String. A thread of a bow. Archery. Shooting with the bow and arrow. Target, the goal intended to be hit.
Sir, I have not complete.
I am giving you time for 2 minutes. Write fastly.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Board is clear. All the students can see the whole board. Who is asking this?
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
I am not talking anything. I am just giving you time to write. So write fastly. First word, chatting, informal talk, aim,
Done, sir.
point a weapon at a target, boast, self-praise, skill, the ability to do something, strength, a trade of a bow, archery, shooting with the bow and arrow, and the target, the goal intended to be hit. Okay, first
Not
3 years I am going to the
not done, sir. Sir, मेरा नहीं हुआ. Sir,
only 3 words I am going to the
करना. सर नीचे तरफ मत करना.
yes I know.
सर सेकंड वाला कौन सा था?
Instead,
सर सेकंड वाला कौन सा था?
in place of. Instead, it means in place of. Instead के अलावा हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं के अलावा. Instead means in place of. Instead means in place of. Right, fastly. You are taking too much time. You are in 4th standard.
Done, sir. Done, sir. No, done, sir. Done, sir.
Hey,
Done.
just show me thumbs up.
No, done, sir. No, done, sir.
मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी, ठीक है? मैं बोर्ड मिटा नहीं रहा हूँ.
Please.
Right.
My board is done.
I'm giving you text for this. Write fastly.
I have done.
जो आपको बीच में बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, जिन बच्चों ने कंप्लीट किया है वो बस थम्स अप दिखाएंगे. बीच में डिस्टरबेंस क्रिएट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. प्रियांशु, अथर्वा,
Sir, please.
beginning of the class.
Please.
Write fastly. Instead, it means in place of. After this skill, the ability to do something. String a thread of a bow. Archery, shooting with the bow and arrow. Target the goal intended to be hit. Okay. Next word is, just check it out. Defend. Defending or defend. Protect
Sir, sir, please.
ourselves from attack. To protect ourselves from attack. After this, argue.
सर नीचे वाला मिटा दो.
No, sir.
Argue. Give
Sir,
reason
आपका black खरा.
of an act.
अबे. Sir, sir, please. Sir, please.
Give reason of an act. To give reason लिख लीजिए. To give reason of an act. Argue करना. To give reason of an act.
सर ये एस के बाद क्या लिख रहा है? ये एस लिख रहा है सर.
I am reading. Listen. Instead, in place of defend, to protect ourselves from attack. A-double-T-A-C-K, attack. Argue. Argue. A-R-G-U-E, argue. Argue to give reason of an act. Argue to give reason of an act.
सर लास्ट वाला दूसरा वर्ड है.
What?
सर लास्ट वाला दूसरा वर्ड है.
Your voice is not clear.
सर जो लास्ट वाला वर्ड है.
Remark. The word is given on page number 46. Remark. Okay. To say something.
Sir, sir, please.
To say something about. Remark to say something about. जैसे आपको नोटबुक में रिमार्क मिलता है, गुड, वेरी गुड, जो आप काम करते हो, है ना, उसे रिमार्क बोला जाता है. So we can say remark means to say something about. Yes. Another word is quietly. Quietly. It means silently. quietly यानी चुपचाप, silently चुपचाप. There are so many new words are there in this story. First word I have written here, instead, in place of, defend, to protect ourselves from attack, argue, to give reason of an act, remark, to say something
सर आप
about,
दिख नहीं रहे हो.
quietly, silently. Another word is stare. Stare, to look fixedly. देखकर देखना.
Answer.
Right, fastly.
Answer.
2 minutes.
Answer.
Yes, wait for others.
Answer. Answer.
As I told you, don't say anything.
Answer.
Students, please keep quiet.
Dancer. I have dancer.
Yes.
I have
Now,
dancer. I have
please
dancer.
stare,
Dancer.
to look fixedly. एकटक देखना, stare. Stare, to look fixedly. Only few words are remaining. Right, fastly.
Dancer. 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 दीदी के 2 मिनट लगेंगे.
Don't disturb. Yes, it's very good. Shruti, very good. Show me thumbs up if you have done. Sonakshi, very good. अगर आपने कंप्लीट किया है, yes, ईशा, very good. सुचित्रा,
Side, please.
मैं साइड में ही हूँ, जल्दी से लिखिए.
Dancer.
Wait for others. I request you all, please increase your speed of writing. Increase your writing speed. Instead, in place of. Try to remember all the meanings. Defend, to protect ourselves from attack. Argue, to give reason of an act. Remark, to say something about. Quietly, silently. Stare, to look fixedly. एकटक देखना उसे कहते हैं स्पेयर. ओके, लेट्स टेक अनदर वर्ड. C-A-P-E. Again, the mouth wide open. Mouth wide open in surprise. In surprise, the mouth wide open in surprise. Again. Oh, इस तरह से हम करते हैं ना. Oh wow. Another word is amazement. Amazement. A-M-A-Z-E-M-E-N-T. Amazement means great surprise. Amazement means great surprise. And the last word is triumphantly. 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 It means happy or happily and proudly. Yes, wait a minute. Happily and proudly.
Done, sir.
Isha, have you done?
Done, sir. More done.
Show me thumbs up only. Don't say anything. If you have done, show me thumbs up. Very good.
Done, sir.
सर फर्स्ट वाले में एन लिखा है।
सर साइड प्लीज। सर थर्ड वाले में कौन सा है? सर थर्ड वाला कौन सा है?
क्या लिखा है सर?
Amazement, great surprise. Amazement, great surprise. Triumphantly, happily and proudly. Very good, Suchitra.
सर प्राउडली के PRO के आगे का दिखने का।
Triumphantly, happily and proudly. Only these two words are there. Happily and proudly. Bas. Very good. Shall we revise all the word meanings from the beginning? Now listen carefully and check it out. Whether you return right or no. Okay? Yes or no? So first word, chatting. It means informal talk. Check in your notebook. Chatting, informal talk. Aim, to point a weapon at a target. To point a weapon at a target. Third word, boast, self-praise. Skill, the ability to do something. Archery, shooting with the bow and arrow. String, a thread of a bow. String, a thread of a bow. No. पेज नंबर किस लिए बेटा? आपने जो कॉपी में लिखा है वो चेक करने के लिए बोला है मैंने। कौन पेज नंबर पूछ रहा है मुझे?
Done, sir.
Instead, in place of, check all the words which you have written on your in your copy. आपने जो अपने कॉपी में लिखा है वो चेक कीजिए. ओके. Instead, in place of, defend, to protect ourselves from attack. To protect ourselves from attack.
I have done, sir.
Next, argue. Next is argue of an act. Argue to give reason of an act. Remark, to say something about. To say something about. Quietly, silently. Quietly, silently. Stare, to look fixedly. Stare, to look fixedly. Amazement, great surprise. Again, the mouth wide open in surprise. Amazement, great surprise. And the last word, profoundly, happily, and proudly. Is it clear to all? Show me thumbs up. Raghav, mute your mic. Yes, very good. Mrityunjay, have you done better? Have you completed? Yes, very good, very good. Now students, as we know, here the explanation and the new words we have completed. Now, move towards the question and answers from this story. Here, I am going to explain all the questions with their answer. You will listen carefully, you should listen carefully, you need not to write. Okay? अभी आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप लिखेंगे नहीं, बस आप सुनेंगे. Okay? So listen. Now nobody will disturb the class, nobody will say anything in between. First question is there. What did Nasruddin boast about? What did Nasruddin boast about? Nasruddin आंसर जो क्वेश्चन है उसका मीनिंग समझ लीजिए. What did Nasruddin boast about? नसरुद्दीन किस बारे में बोस्ट कर रहा था, खुद की प्रशंसा कर रहा था? Yes, Nasruddin boasted about his skill in archery. It's a simple answer. Okay, the Nasruddin boasted about his skill in archery. वो अपने आर्चरी के स्किल के बारे में बोस्ट कर रहा था, खुद की प्रशंसा कर रहा था. Nasruddin about his skill in archery. Understood? Show me thumbs up. Very good. Next question is there. Why did Nasruddin take someone else's name each time he missed the target? Why? क्यों did Nasruddin take someone else's name? Nasruddin हर बार फेल होने के बाद किसी और का नाम क्यों ले रहा था? Why did Nasruddin take someone else's name each time he missed the target? Because he did not accept his failure in front of his friends. Because he did not accept his failure, क्योंकि वो अपना failure means failure. Yes, जैसे हार जो होती है ना, वो हार अपने दोस्तों के सामने मान नहीं रहा था. He did not accept his failure in front of his friends, so that someone his name is trying to hit the target. Third question is there. Why did Nasruddin say it was my aim? Third time. तीसरी बार जब उसने टारगेट हिट किया, why did he say that is my aim? ऐसा उसने क्यों कहा? Because he hit on the target in his third attempt. क्योंकि तीसरी बार उसने टारगेट हिट किया था. Instead of 2, he failed. He did not hit the target. But at the third attempt, he succeeded and he hit on the right target. So that he said that it is my aim. ये मेरा aim है. ऐसे में आर्चरी या ऐसा मेरा skill है. And the fourth question is there. Do you think Nasruddin was good at archery? Do you think Nasruddin was good at archery? Just show me with your hand. Yes or no? No. Yes. Very good. Isha, what do you think? Show me with your hands only. आपको क्या लगता है? नसरुद्दीन सच में अच्छा था आर्चरी में? Say no or yes.
Yes, sir.
आर्चरी में अच्छा था वो? आपको क्या लगता है? ईशा, आपने आंसर नहीं दिया. ओके, वेरी गुड. नाउ
सर अच्छा लगता है.
शगुन, नाउ शगुन स्टार्ट. आपको क्या लगता है शगुन? Do you think Nasruddin was good at archery? शगुन, are you there?
Yes, sir.
आपको क्या लगता है नसरुद्दीन सच में अच्छा था आर्चरी में?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो स्टोरी में जो दिया है वो आपने शायद ध्यान से सुना नहीं, जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था.
No, sir. अच्छा नहीं है.
Yes, उसका जो नसरुद्दीन का स्किल था उसका वो अच्छा नहीं था. He did not accept his failure in front of his friends, so that he tried to take someone else's name after his failure. वो क्या करता था? हर बार फेल होने के बाद किसी और का नाम लेके बस वो अपने आप को डिफेंड कर रहा था. He tried to defend himself in front of his friends. He was not good in archery. वो आर्चरी में अच्छा नहीं था. Luckily, in the third attempt, he hit right on the target. So that time he asked that it was my.
पाकिस्तान भी तीसरी बारी में गया.
Yes. Okay, students. So all these question and answers we will write in the next class tomorrow. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you all have understood.
Thank for
Today.
Bye. Thank you so much.